Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here are going to show you how to fix GE Dishwasher error code 1H. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having some problems with your GE dishwasher here and you're getting the 1H error code, well, in this case, there are going to be a few things that you could try doing here. So first things first, what is the 1H code here? So the thing with this one, it's not an actual error code. So the 1H code simply means that the dishwasher is set to start after a 1 hour delay here. So this happens when the delay start function has been activated. Now, how do you fix this? So in this case, what you need to do is you want to press the delay start button multiple times here. So in this case, you have delay R's here. So in this case, you want to go and just keep pressing until the display no longer shows the 1H code. Now this removes any delay and allows the dishwasher to start immediately. Now also, to cancel all preset programs here, you may want to press and hold the start or reset button for about 3 seconds. So in this case, either this button here, so start or reset. Now this clicks all settings here, including any delay start, timers, or selected wash cycles. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.